Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can increase or how we can fix the high disk usage and how we can increase the FPS or how we can boost the FPS in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices for gaming. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our device manager. And we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to device manager options. And once we're in the device manager window, we will be seeing system devices. So please look for system devices option. Okay, it's in the system, this one. So once you see that, please click on this arrow beside it, and then you will be able to expand it or maximize the system devices. So here we need to look for high precision event timer. This one, it's high precision event timer, and then once selected, please make a right click on it and then just click on disable driver. And then once done, you can now close this window, and let's proceed with another step. So the next thing we need to do is to go again in the Windows search tab and here type power. And once you do that, you will see in the settings edit power plan or choose a power plan. So let me just add here choose power. So here when you search choose a power, then under best match we will have choose a power plan option. So please click on that to open. And once you do that, the power options window will be coming up on your screen. Here all you need to do is to choose under the selected plan, choose the option that says high performance or ultra performance. Now if in your case you don't see that options, then you can either choose balance or ultra performance. So since my device is working well with the Acer, so I'm just going to select Acer. And then if your device has this balance option, so please click on that and select that one. So here we can also create a power plan just by clicking this create a power plan option here in the left pane. And if you see here a high, or if you're getting high option, so please click on that. And once done, you can now close this window. So we will go now to our task manager, and we can do that by simply pressing Ctrl Shift Escape key in our keyboard, or just making a right click here in our taskbar, and you will see the task manager option. So please click on that, and then you will be able now to see the task manager window coming up on our screen. Here all we need to do is to go to the startup tab, this one, and then once we click on the status tab or status column, you will see that all the software or applications that you have enabled during startup are now in the top. And please see all the applications or softwares that you have enabled, and if you see that they are not, or they are unwanted or unnecessary during the startup, then you can disable them. And how can you disable them? Just select the software or the application and then just make a right click on it, and then just click this disable button, and you will be able now to disable the application. And you can do that with the same or with the other applications that you don't want to be associated during startup. Okay, so once it's done, you can now close this window here and then just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. You will now be able to see the changes in your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.